Welcome to another day of Daycare! Yo, it's been so long, man. It's been so long, but it's good to be back in Daycare, man. You're probably wondering, guys, where's Daycare been? Well, Daycare's been on vacation, man. And Jeff called me he told me that he's got an emergency, so I'm a little bit confused. What's going on here, man? I feel like Jeff's trying to pull a prank on me. Oh, wait, is that your... I'm not sure what's wrong with him.
Hey, Moose, how you doing?
What's up, Charlie? How you doing?
Hey,
oh,
I'm doing well. Whoa, how'd you get up there?
mayonnaise. My back hurts. Back in my days, I was an old man. And now I'm... Oh, Miss Betty here.
My mustache is still black.
Give me the frog here. Chef Jamie, what are you doing? Hey, get in and help out. Wait, what's going on, Jeff? What are you helping me out with? Back in my day, I was shaking the block for 24 hours. And then I realized that my name is Brick Boost. And I want some big fish. Wait, some MooseCraft and some...
Uh-oh. I'm under the map.
How'd you pull that off? Ah!
Oh, that's awesome.
How did you do that? Okay. Yo. Dude, Jeff. We are packing. Jeff, hold on. What's going on? Oh! Jeff, why are you...
huge. Run, run.
Jeff, what? Why are you Musina? Jeff, I am so It's over!
No.
Jeff, you are Musina for me. Why are you... Is this a sick prank? Oh! Never, ever do that again, okay? Never ever do that again. Guys, new prank season. Yay! I said, wait, Jeff, but why is there so many boxes here? Yo, is Daycare getting upgraded, bro? Yo, we're gonna have like new toys and we're gonna have like new crazy things. We're done now. Wait. No, what do you mean we're done? Well, Jeff, what's going on, buddy? Jeff, no way. Well, Jeff, this can't be. What do you mean we're done? You know about this, Jeremy? I feel like you have no idea what's ever going on in life. No way, we are over.
Where are we? What is this colors? Look at these pretty colors.
Yeah, he's gonna know what he's talking about. We are over. Jeff, are you breaking up with me, bro? Huh? You can't break up with me, Jeff.
Jeff, still, let's.
I hit the jackpot. No more Daycare ever again.
Take all his money.
Wait a minute, Jeff. What do you mean you hit the jackpot? How much money did you make? Huh? How much did you? How much did you make, Jeff? Jeff, cough it up. Jeff, cough it up. Jeff, cough it up. Give me all the money right now. Give me all the money or the Moose will get you. $1. Jeff, that's not the jackpot. You can't even afford the Daycare door repair. I bought 1 Bitcoin. Oh, God. Are you one of those people? I'm just kidding. I got a Bitcoin, too. Come on, man. Jeff, do you understand that you can't stop Daycare? It's going to go on forever and ever and ever. Ow! Okay.
What?
I feel like you just somehow hit me and Jeremy fell down. I'm not sure.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Oh, he flew away. Well, I mean, Jeff, we can't stop Daycare. I'm an entrepreneur. That's not how you spell entrepreneur. Jeff, what is this stuff? Only use if emergency. Oh, that looks interesting.
Oh, let's use it.
No, it says it only used for emergency for a reason. Okay,
Jeff,
honestly, we aren't going away. So then what's going on? Are we packing everything up though? Huh? We are upgrading. Awesome! It went some big fish. It went some chester with some and Miss Milk. I also want some of this and some of that. My name is Brick Moose, and I'm gonna eat all the things in the world because I like to eat some big fish. I like to fly private jets. I get the most wanted much. www.itsmoosecraft.com.
Yo, Jeff said there's gonna be more people helping in the daycare. Yo, what people, Jeff? Where are you getting these people?
What do you mean more people are gonna be helping in the daycare? Wait, there's new people in daycare? I stole them.
What?
But that's not reassuring at all. Okay, all right, so... Jeff, you told me that we're upgrading Daycare. We're getting more people, making it more interesting. But does that mean there's going to be a... No, I can't say it. I can't say it. Okay, I can't say it, Jeff. No, Jeff, you can't do this. Jeff, but the moose milk. You got to moose milk it, man. You got to moose milk it. Don't you get it? Smack, backhand, front hand. I'm sorry.
Play dead. He's drowning in moose milk. Oh, I got a bunch of moose milk.
I didn't have no luxury. Oh.
Yo! Look at me. I mean, hey!
Jeff, is there gonna be a season 2 of Minecraft Daycare? What? Season 3? Oh.
What?
Season 3 of Minecraft Daycare with more characters, new map, new things, new Moose merch, including new Daycare merch, new cool video effects and stuff. So that means we can do anything we want in this Daycare and not have to worry about the things that we've done. Awesome!
Hey guys, I have books.
I'm gonna eat all the bookshelves. I'm gonna eat some of this moose milk over here. I'm gonna have some of these and I want more of these books.
Oh, look at the piggy.
Yay! Oh,
I'm
my
the
name is
piggy.
Miss Piggy here, and I'm just gonna show you. Okay, Jeff, so how can we help you pack, buddy? How can we help you pack? You know what? I got you, Jeff.
I'm laying on
I
the
got
piggy.
you. Here, Jeff. You get the car ready, and I will take care of the rest. Well, we got 2 things we can do. What's that? Jeff, don't worry. I just watched the new. Well, there's a new Ant-Man movie coming out, and they have the technology where they can shrink the daycare into like a little tiny little like toy. We can either pack or get the cuff insurance. What does that mean? Jeff, I got an idea.
What is insurance?
I don't even know, honestly. Jeff, I got an idea. Jeff. All right. How about this? You get the cars ready, and I will shrink the daycare down to 1 single block, and we're going to take it with us until we move to the new daycare, and we release season 3.
I'm excited.
Jeremy, I really worry about you sometimes. I feel like you have problems. Jeff, where do you find him?
Jeff,
I'm just
Jeff.
kidding. All right, he does. Awesome. So, Jeff, get the cars ready. Let me take care of the magic. Okay, so we're going to make this
I
daycare
fell out of the
super
world
smart.
again.
All I got to do is just get some let's figure this out. If I want to make daycare small, we need a shrinking ray machine. Now, to do that, we're going to require some... Yes, there we go.
Oh, I fell.
So what if we tried this thing or that? Oh, what about that? Oh my God, this is gonna be for later. Yes, and we have this. Okay, so let's see. Daycare's cool and all, but we need a way to shrink it. So we need to use our smarts to make this work. Let's test this all out real quick.
No,
okay?
I have an idea. We could just compress it. You know, we just push really hard.
That's not possible to building.
What do you mean? We're super strong. We're like, ooh, mushrooms.
Bro, there ain't no Thanos in here, bro. We don't.
Well, I drink a lot of moose milk. You know, I think I can do it.
Yay.
Girl being strong.
There we go. Let's try this out real quick. Oh, nope, that's not gonna do it. Let's try this one out. How about this? Ready? Hoobah.
Are you
Cool.
blowing daycare up? Stop blowing things up, Moose!
No, I'm testing things enough. I'm trying to see how can I compress the daycare or something.
Jeff,
It's a
you're
scatter bomb.
completely right.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, no. Jeff, I hit the emergency thing over here. Is this bad? Jeff, there's this thing. Come here. Jeff, look at this. It's like glowing, but I can't tell what's going to happen. Huh. You know, wait a minute.
I'm in the hole.
Oh, that's a nuke. Oh! Guys, we may or may not have broken
I'm broken.
the whole world.
I am broken. Oh, no, we're good. I
Talking
think.
about you nub. You know what? While we wait, roll the Moose merch promo. Go to www.itsmoosecraft.com to buy the brand new limited edition Moose 100 merch representing the Moose Hustle. It's only available till May 28th, so go buy it right now. Guys, I think we got a problem, man. Jeremy! Look out, buddy! Actually, you know what? Jeremy! Bro! Dude,
Why
Jeff,
only me?
I
This
did
is
not
the
know.
third time.
I didn't have the insurance set up yet. Jeff, I did not know
What is
that the
insurance?
scatter bomb would have such a crazy explosion radius and then trigger the nuclear bomb that he had rigged inside of your daycare for emergencies.
Wait,
And
what
now-
is this? What is this hole here? Let's just try it out. Ah!
He's such a nub. He's such a nub. And now the whole daycare's gone. But hey, Jeff, don't worry, buddy. At least we're moving. Wow, this explosion legit took out the whole city almost. That's pretty crazy, man. Yep, it's pretty
It's
crazy.
okay, guys. I'm gonna build a little house in this hole right here, and it's gonna be a new daycare.
So, Jeff, is it time, buddy? Is it time, Jeff? Is it time for Daycare Season 3? Jeff, you call the shots, man. What are we gonna do now? It's time to never talk to you. What, Jeff? You can't do that, Jeff. You can't end things off on a bad note. It's not cool. No one likes that, bro. Don't be lame, Jeff. Don't be hashtag lame, Jeff. You gotta do hashtag Moose100 merch, bro. Cause you know, always keeping it 100 and pouring in 100% of everything you do. www.itsmoosecraft.com.
Hey guys, I built a new daycare here. Come play.
Hashtag Moose0 merch. Whoa. We don't go that far, Jeremy. Okay, I mean, Jeff, we don't go that far. But you have zero
insulting
brain.
me once again.
Hey, you're the one that put the nuke. Okay, you know what? Here's no point talking about this. Jeff, you said we're upgrading anyways, so let's upgrade.
We just upgraded. Look, I built a new one. Look, I think it's pretty.
Oh, how pretty is it, huh?
Yeah. Hey, no, Moose.
How pretty is it, huh? That's what I thought.
Now it's a hot tub. Yeah, you can't.
That's what I thought.
It's a hot tub.
This will make it 10 times better. It's doing one of those really flashing lights where like it keeps going.
No.
And it looks like it's not stopping. So I think it's a good time to call it here. What's up, buddy?
I'm on fire.
This nub. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I guess that's about it for Daycare Season 2, guys. And Jeff has just gotten a bunch of young cash money, and he's going to be upgrading the Daycare to be even crazier than before. And we're going to have more people, more crazy things coming in Season 3, guys. So we'll see you, I guess, in Season 3, man. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, slap the bell, turn on those notifications, and get ready for Season 3, man. Season 3. Woo! Bye! Buy some Moose merch. Woo!